How to move snaps into My Eyes Only. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to move snaps into My Eyes Only. So if you want to keep some of your snaps extra private, then you can easily use My Eyes Only feature on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will be able to move snaps into My Eyes Only. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a Snapchat app on your device. Then make sure to sign in on your Snapchat account. After that, tap on the two cards icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to access your memories page. So once you get access to this page, you can easily select snaps from here, whether that's from home, camera roll, or stories as well. So now tap on the check mark at the top right corner to select the images or snaps. Now select the snaps and then tap on hide icon at the bottom of the screen. Enter the passcode to add this snaps into My Eyes Only. Once done, tap on Move button. If you wish to delete original, you can tap on Delete button. Grant the permission to allow Snapchat to delete this photo, so tap on Allow button. You can further tap on My Eyes Only at the top right corner and check whether the snaps has been moved into My Eyes Only or not. Enter the passcode to access My Eyes Only page. As you can see that we have successfully moved the snaps into My Eyes Only. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.